Hello students, today we are going to do a new chapter, Eidgah. It's written by Munshi Premchand. Munshi Premchand was born at Dhanpat Rai Srivastav and his parents were Ajaib Khan, a post office clerk, and Anandi Devi, a homemaker. He received his early education at a madrasa in Lalpur. He learnt English at a missionary school later on. His mother died when he was just 8 years old, and his father soon remarried. After that, he taught in a school, and he would write several articles and stories for the magazine in the coming years. Now, Eidgah means 30 days after Ramzan comes Eid. So, how wonderful and beautiful! In the morning of the Eid, all the people have collected near the mosque and they are doing prayers, and after prayers, they wish each other Eid Mubarak. Now, in this, there is a 4 years boy, Hamid. He is happy, but he is poorly dressed up. He is thin and famished. His father died last year of cholera, and his mother also died. Hamid sleeps with Granny Amina's lap and is happy as a lark because Amina, she has said that his father has gone to and will earn money and come back with sacks load of silver, and his mother has gone to Allah to get lovely gifts for him. So now he forces her grandmother to send him for the Eidgah, but she is little bit scared to go. But then still he goes with his friends. Now the villagers they leave, and with the boys is Hamid. He goes in the fair and he looks at the things. There are toys, different types of toys, and his friends they have bought the toys from there. One has bought advocate, one has bought a turbine, and the other also has bought a policeman. So they look at Hamid and say that why don't you buy anything? Now Hamid he says I have only 3 pies with me. His friends they are eating sweets over there in the fair, and they are teasing Hamid that why don't you eat? It's very tasty. But Hamid says no, I won't eat anything. Even they're teasing. They're bringing the thing near his mouth and taking it back. But they laugh at him. But Hamid, he doesn't feel sad. He says, you'll eat. Now his friends, they have gone ahead, and Hamid, he goes near a hardware shop. And he looks over there with many things like tongs and all. And he looks at them. When he sees the tongs, he remembers that when his grandmother she makes chapatis, her fingers get burned. Look in the picture. He thinks about that. So he feels like to buy tongs for her. And he takes it. So his friends tease him that what is this? So he says that this is a very nice thing. It is like you can play with it many games. You can play as a gun. You can, if I throw it, it won't break, but when you will throw your toys, they will break down. So when his grandmother she comes to know that he has come back home and he has brought the tongs with him, so she says, why did you buy this? Couldn't you find anything better in the fair? So he says that you burn your fingers while making chapatis. So I bought this for you. So looking at that, the granny she feels very sad, and she becomes like a small girl, and she breaks down and cries, and she thanks Allah and she gives blessings to his grandchild. Big tears fell off from her eyes. But Hamid doesn't understand what was going on inside her. She is feeling that this poor child, whole day he was hungry and he bought tongs for me. Read the lessons.